you can use a UBCC framework. Okay, what is UBCC? It's unintended consequences, it's benefits, it's costs, it's constraints. If this is the first time you've heard of this, never mind, take it down, right? Because decision making is here to stay. We'll be making use of this quite regularly, okay? So UBCC, okay? Whenever you use UBCC, let me give you some general comments, okay? It's used when a question has certain keywords like rational or decision-making process. Okay. So this is how you know when to use it. Okay. There's a student who's not here yet. Let me see whether it's a student. Oh. Hello? Hello? Hi. Yes. Hi. Hi. Okay, all right, so those are the keywords, okay, first thing. Second, under UBCC, all right, when you talk about benefits, it helps to understand what drives that particular stakeholder. So what is driving this particular decision maker? Now, who are the stakeholders? If you are talking about a producer, okay, if your stakeholder is a producer, then the producer is driven by simple profits. Okay? You want profits, so that's why when you talk about benefits, it should be in terms of higher revenue, lower cost. Okay? If you are talking about a government, now what is the government looking for? The government is actually looking for your social goals, looking out for society. So benefits could be efficiency, it could be equity. And when you do macroecons as part of the J2 syllabus, you will include macro goals. And this is actually very telling. Why? Some people are wondering, in econs, can they combine J1 and J2 stuff? Can they ask about microecons and macroecons? Yes, whenever they ask you about a government's decision-making process. So sometimes they'll say, should the government proceed with building a new coal mine? Then we always say, you shouldn't do that because it's pollutive. Oh, but if you have a coal mine, you can export coal, and that's good for the economy. Right? So we'll see that in the J2 syllabus, which is conflicts between micro and macro objectives, very common. And it comes in through here. If it's a producer, cannot have macro objectives. It's just profits. Okay? Then if you are looking at consumers, okay, consumer will be more of they just want satisfaction. Okay, that's it. Any questions? No? Okay. So this is just one part on benefits. Now, cost. Under cost, every time you talk about cost, it is a good habit to bring in explicit and implicit cost. Anyone knows what implicit cost is? Huh? What's implicit cost? Very good. It's opportunity cost, right? So try to feature out cost in your answer as well. Constraints, unintended consequences, they can be quite open. Okay, so constraints, sometimes we think of constraints as monetary constraints. Do you have enough money? Or information on hand? Do you know what's going on?